Welcome back to Artos Hub, where legendary cars meet modern power. And today we're diving into a true American icon reborn, the 2026 Ford Shelby GT500. This machine is not just a Mustang, it is the most aggressive, track-focused, and street-dominating version of Ford's muscle car heritage ever built. From the moment you see it, you know this is something special. Wide, low, and menacing, the GT500 looks like it was carved from pure performance. The front design is brutal and beautiful at the same time. A massive grille feeds air straight into the supercharged engine, while razor-sharp LED headlights give it a predatory stare. The hood is sculpted with deep heat extractors that hint at the power hiding underneath. Aerodynamic elements like a front splitter, air curtains, and functional vents aren't just for looks. They are designed to keep the car planted at extreme speeds. Every line on the 2026 Shelby GT500 serves a purpose, and that purpose is speed. From the side, the car sits wider than a standard Mustang, with muscular fenders stretching over huge performance wheels. The low stance and aggressive body kit make it look like it's ready to attack the asphalt. At the rear, a large carbon fiber wing, quad exhaust tips, and an aggressive diffuser create a race car-inspired look that also improves downforce and stability at high speed. This is not a soft, stylish cruiser. This is a hardcore performance machine built to dominate. Under the hood is where the Shelby GT500 truly becomes legendary. The 2026 model is powered by a next-generation supercharged V8 that pushes well over 800 horsepower. The engine roars with a deep, violent tone that instantly tells you this car means business. The acceleration is explosive, delivering brutal thrust the moment you touch the throttle. This car doesn't build speed, it attacks it. Whether you are launching from a standstill or overtaking on the highway, the GT500 responds with terrifying intensity. The power is sent through a high-performance dual-clutch transmission designed for lightning-fast shifts. Every gear change happens in milliseconds, keeping the engine in its sweet spot and delivering relentless acceleration. Combined with a rear-wheel drive layout and advanced traction systems, the GT500 gives you control over all that power without taking away the raw, thrilling feel that muscle car fans love. Even though this car is insanely powerful, it is also engineered for precision. The 2026 Shelby GT500 uses advanced suspension tuning, adaptive dampers, and a track-focused chassis that keeps the car stable even at extreme speeds. It feels planted, confident, and incredibly sharp when you push it hard. This is a muscle car that can truly handle like a supercar. When you step inside the 2026 Ford Shelby GT500, you instantly feel that this is not an ordinary Mustang. It's a cockpit built for speed, control, and pure driving focus. Everything inside is designed to keep the driver connected to the car and the road. The first thing you notice is the deep bolstered sport seats, wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara. These seats hug your body tightly, keeping you locked in place during hard acceleration, sharp cornering, and high-speed driving. Even on long drives, they remain comfortable while still feeling race-ready. The dashboard has a modern, performance-oriented layout. A fully digital instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel, showing speed, RPM, gear position, boost pressure, and driving mode in crisp, high-resolution graphics. You can customize the display depending on whether you're cruising, driving aggressively, or pushing the car on a track. In front of the driver, the thick, flat-bottom steering wheel feels solid and purposeful. It has paddle shifters for fast manual gear changes and performance buttons that let you instantly switch between drive modes. In the center of the cabin, a large touchscreen infotainment system controls navigation, audio, vehicle settings, and performance data. You can see lap timers, G-forces, acceleration times, and other performance metrics, turning every drive into a mini race experience. Even though this car is built for power, it doesn't ignore comfort. The GT500 includes premium sound, smartphone connectivity, climate control, and modern tech that makes daily driving easy and enjoyable. The driving experience of the 2026 Shelby GT500 is on another level. When you press the start button, the supercharged V8 comes alive with a deep, aggressive growl that instantly sends chills through the cabin. In normal driving mode, the car is surprisingly manageable. The suspension softens, the throttle becomes smoother, and the car feels refined enough for city driving. But the moment you switch into sport or track mode, the GT500 transforms into a wild animal. Throttle response becomes sharper, gear changes become faster, and the exhaust opens up to release a louder, more aggressive sound. The steering becomes heavier and more precise, giving you total control over the front wheels. You can feel every inch of the road through the steering wheel, making the car feel alive and connected. This balance between comfort and extreme performance is what makes the GT500 so special. It can behave like a civilized daily driver or a full-blown race car, depending on how you drive it. On the road, the acceleration is brutal. The supercharged engine delivers massive torque from low RPM, pushing you back into the seat as the car rockets forward. Overtaking is instant, and highway driving feels effortless because the car always has power ready. On twisty roads, the advanced suspension and wide tires keep the car stable and planted. The 2026 Ford Shelby GT500 doesn't just excel in power and handling. It also demonstrates impressive technological sophistication that enhances both safety and performance. The car comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems that monitor road conditions, vehicle dynamics, and driver input. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traction control are seamlessly integrated so they support the driving experience without taking away the thrill. Even while pushing the GT500 to its limits on a track, these systems work in the background, providing stability and confidence when it matters most. Another aspect that sets the GT500 apart is its aerodynamics. The car features an aggressive front splitter, rear diffuser, and a prominent rear wing that collectively generate significant downforce. This isn't just for show. The aerodynamic elements help keep the car stable at high speeds, reduce lift, and improve cornering grip. Engineers have paid meticulous attention to airflow management, ensuring that the massive V8 engine remains cool while maximizing performance. The result is a car that feels planted and precise, even when accelerating past triple-digit speeds. One of the most exciting elements of the 2026 Shelby GT500 is the customizable drive modes. The car allows the driver to select from various settings, including normal, sport, track, and drag modes. Each mode adjusts engine response, transmission behavior, suspension stiffness, steering feel, and even exhaust tone. This flexibility makes the GT500 versatile. It can serve as a comfortable highway cruiser during a daily commute or a ferocious track car during spirited driving sessions. The adaptability of the car ensures that it meets the needs of both casual drivers and serious enthusiasts. Fuel efficiency may not be the main priority of a supercharged V8, but Ford has implemented measures to optimize economy without compromising performance. Cylinder deactivation, intelligent engine management, and modern transmission tuning help maintain a reasonable balance between power output and fuel consumption. This makes the Shelby GT500 more practical than one might assume for a car with nearly 800 horsepower. The interior continues to impress with attention to detail and driver-focused design. The seats, steering wheel, and pedal layout are all ergonomically optimized, keeping the driver comfortable and in control at all times. High-quality materials, contrast stitching, and optional carbon fiber accents enhance the sense of premium craftsmanship. Even small touches, such as the customizable digital display and configurable performance screens, allow the driver to tailor the cabin environment for maximum engagement. In terms of legacy, the 2026 Shelby GT500 carries forward the heritage of one of the most iconic American muscle cars. It combines raw, aggressive power with modern technology, precision engineering, and a driver-centric cockpit.